Hello students, Jai Shri Swaminarayan. My name is Philan Dodaria. In this video, we start our new exercise 12.1. Okay? So here, in this exercise, we use the Harrow's formula. Okay? So just be ready, open your mind. Let's start it with question number 1. First of all, read this question. Here in question number 1, a traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with the sides A. Find the area of the signal board using Harrow's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of the signal board? Okay? A traffic signal board indicating school ahead is an equilateral triangle with sides A. Find the area of the signal board using Harrow's formula. If its perimeter is 180 cm, what will be the area of signal board? So first of all, here one equilateral triangle is given to you. Okay, just give the name ABC. With sides A. Now what we need to find? Find the area of the signal board using Harrow's formula. Okay? We already know one formula to find out the area of equilateral triangle. That we already see learning the theory part, right? Area of equilateral triangle is equal to under root 3 by 4 side square. Okay? Under root 3 by 4 side square, so we can use this formula here, but here it is written that find the area by using Harrow's formula. So here first of all we need to use the Harrow's formula. Okay, so here by using the Harrow's formula we prove that formula. After that, if perimeter is 180 cm, find the area of the signal board. So first of all, we need to find the area of signal board by using Harrow's formula. Okay? Otherwise, directly we know the formula under root 3 by 4 side square. Here our side is A, so under root 3 by 4 A square. Okay, so answer we already know, under root 3 by 4 A square. If this line is not written using Harrow's formula, then directly we can use that formula. But here we need to prove it. Okay? So here we need to use Harrow's formula. So our first requirement is the semi-perimeter S. Okay? Semi-perimeter S. What is the formula? Perimeter divided by 2. Now perimeter means what? Addition of all three sides. Okay? Perimeter means what? Addition of all three sides. That means A plus A plus A divided by 2. Here, value of A it is A, value of B it is also A, and value of C it is also A. Okay? Three sides A, B, C. All sides are same A because equilateral triangle is there. So A is equal to A, B is equal to A, and C is equal to A. Here we have the formula A plus B plus C by 2. So A plus A by 2. Now here A plus A plus A plus A plus A, 3 times A, so 3A divided by 2. Unit is centimeter, so centimeter. 3A by 2 centimeter. So this is our semi-perimeter S. Now we can use the Harrow's formula. So area of triangle ABC is equal to, what is the actual formula? S minus A, then S minus B, and S minus C. This is Harrow's formula for finding out the area of triangle. Okay? Now, value of semi-perimeter S it is 3A by 2. A it is A, B is equal to A, and C is equal to A. So put all this value here. So here is under root S 3a by 2. Now here even 3a by 2 minus a, it is a only. Then s minus b, s 3a minus 2 minus b, it is also a. And s minus c, s 3a by 2 minus c, it is a. Okay. Now solve this bracket. So in that we need to take LCM. Right? So first of all, in under root 3a by 2. Now here we have 3a by 2. Now take the LCM here. So multiply 2 and divide 2. Okay. Take the LCM here, multiply 2 and divide 2. So if we do here multiply 2, then it becomes 2a, and divide 2, that means we get the same denominator. So this is the process of LCM. First of all 3a as it is, because it is already have the denominator 2. But here we don't have the denominator 2. So multiply 2, divide 2. So multiply 2, 2a. And here we have negative sign. Okay. 3a minus 2a by 2. Now same process we need to do in all these brackets. So same thing we need to write here. 3a minus 2a by 2. Here even 3a minus 2a by 2. Okay. Now 3a by 2 multiply. Bracket shows the multiply. 3a minus 2a, 1a. So in place of 1a we can write a only, a by 2. Okay, 3a minus 2a, that means a only, a by 2. Now same thing here, 3a minus 2a, a by 2, 3a minus 2a, a by 2. Okay, now we need to find the square root. So here 3 we have only one time, so under root 3. स्क्वायर रूट में एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है कि जो भी नंबर्स दो बार है उसमें से एक बार हम बाहर लिखते हैं. ओके, स्क्वायर रूट में क्या है, जो भी नंबर दो बार है उसमें से एक बार बाहर आता है. यदि नंबर एक ही बार है तो स्क्वायर रूट के अंदर ही रहेगा, उसका स्क्वायर रूट नहीं निकल सकता. सो अंडर रूट 3. नाउ ए दो बार ए, सो उसमें से एक बार बाहर, अगेन दो बार ए, उसमें से एक बार बाहर निकल जाएगा. Now in denominator 2 times 2, so 1 time 2 here, again 2 times 2, so again 1 time 2 here. Okay, and under root 3 as it is, because we have only one time. Now under root 3, a multiply a square, and in denominator 2 multiply 2, 4, so under root 3 by 4 a square. This answer we already know. Directly we can use the formula under root 3 by 4 sine square, so under root 3 by 4 a square. But here we need to use the Heron's formula, that's why. And here our unit is centimeter, so centimeter square. Okay, here we have area, so unit centimeter square, otherwise square centimeter. Now our first work is done. Okay, now second thing, if its perimeter is 180 centimeter, what will be the area of the signal board? So here perimeter is given. Okay, perimeter is given, so perimeter is equal to sum of all the sides, a plus a plus a. Now perimeter is given to you 180. So here 180 is equal to, now a plus a, it is 3a, right? A plus a, it is 3a. Now from here we can find the value of a. So for finding out the value of a, transfer this multiply 3 to the left hand side, it goes to the denominator. Because 3a means what? 3 multiply, right? Is equal to a. So now our a is equal to 180 divided by 3, it is 60, and unit is centimeter because a is one side, so a is equal to 60 centimeter. Now we need to find the area of the signal board. Okay, that means area of triangle ABC. So now write down area of triangle ABC. Otherwise we can also write area of the signal board. So area of the signal board is equals to, what is the formula? Under root 3 by 4 a square. Now put the value of a here. Put value of a is equals to 60 here. So under root 3 by 4 in place of a 60 all square. Now under root 3 by 4 60 square, that means 60 multiply 60. Okay, 60 square, that means 60 multiply 60. So under root 3 by 4. Now here we can simplify this, right? 60, that means 15 fours are and 4 cut. Now 15 multiply 60. So 15 multiply 6 90. 1 0, so 900, and under root 3 remains as it is. Under root 3 centimeter square. So here our answer of area of the signal board is 900 under root 3 centimeter square. If value of under root 3 is given in the equation, then we need to put the value, but if it is not given, then we need to put as it is. Okay, so our final answer is 900 under root 3 centimeter square. So first of all, semi-perimeter S, then Helm's formula for area of triangle ABC, under root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of semi-perimeter S, A, B and C and simplify this, so we will get the answer under root 3 by 4 side square, that means A square. Okay, now perimeter is equals to A plus A plus A. It is 3A. Perimeter is 180. Find out the value of A, so A is equals to 60 centimeter. After that, area of the signal board, so put this value A is equals to 60 here. Okay, so we will get the answer of area of the signal board under root 3 by 4 A square, that means 60 square. So our answer is 900 under root 3 centimeter square. Okay, so in this way we will get the answer. Now if you have any doubt in this question, please write down in comment section. I will give you the answer. Thank you.